Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can apply layer styles to a text layer to apply a selected style to all the text. For example, you can apply one of the drop shadows effects to a text layer to apply a drop shadow to the text. You can modify the styles you apply using the Style Settings dialog box as usual. You can also clear all styles you apply if you no longer want them applied. To apply layer styles to a text layer, first select the text layer. Select the Type tool used to create the text within the toolbox and the Tool Options bar. Then click the Style Picker button in the Tool Options bar to show the Style Picker pop-up panel. Use the drop-down at the top of this panel to select the set of styles to show in the panel. To apply a style shown to the text, click it to select it. You can apply multiple styles if desired. Note that the FX icon appears at the right end of the text layer in the Layers panel to note that it now has layer styles applied to it. Click into the blank area in the Tool Options bar to close the Style Picker panel when you are finished applying layer styles. To edit the layer styles, double-click the FX icon at the right end of the selected text layer in the Layers panel to open the Style Settings dialog box. You can then use the checkboxes and sliders shown in each section of this dialog box to apply or remove each setting and specify its additional options. When finished, click the OK button to apply the changes to the layer effects. To clear all layer effects from a text layer, select the layer to clear in the Layers panel. Then right-click the FX icon at the right end of the layer and select the Clear Layer Style command from the pop-up menu.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.